In this exercise, we'll solve an inequality and we'll write set notation for the answer. And the inequality that we're solving is 4 minus 6x is greater than 40. Now, for the first thing to do, let's get the x term alone on the left-hand side of this inequality. We can do that by subtracting 4 on both sides. We're using the addition principle for inequalities. So we'd have 4 minus 6x minus 4 is greater than 40 minus 4. On the left-hand side, what I have left is negative 6 times x, and that's greater than 40 minus 4, or 36. Now, to get x alone on the left-hand side, I can divide both sides of the inequality by negative 6. And doing that on the left-hand side, I have negative 6 times x over negative 6. We're using the multiplication principle for inequalities here, which says that if we multiply or divide both sides of an inequality by a negative number, we have to reverse the inequality symbol. So we'll reverse the greater than and write less than. And then on the right, I have 36 divided by negative 6. So the result on the left is just x, and it's less than 36 divided by negative 6, which is negative 6. So writing set notation for the answer, we would say that the solution set is the set of all x such that x is less than negative 6.